In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to sign up, log in, and get started with the LinKing app. By the end of this video, you'll be able to seamlessly navigate through the app and manage your business efficiently. Click on Register to create an account. On the first screen, enter your full name as it appears on your official documents. Next, input your 10-digit phone number without the country code. Create a secure password and confirm it by re-entering it. Once you've filled in these details, click Next to proceed. In the second step, enter your business name and the city where your business is located. Provide your email address for account verification and communication. Double-check your details, and if you need to make any changes, you can click Go Back. Once everything is correct, click Finish to complete the account creation process. After creating your account, you'll receive a 6-digit OTP on your registered phone number. Enter the OTP in the designated field and click Verify OTP. If you didn't receive the OTP or it expired, you can click here to resend it. Once your account is verified, you'll be directed to the login screen. Here, enter your registered mobile number and your account password. Click Login to authenticate. Upon successful authentication, you'll be taken to the home screen of the app. Welcome to your dashboard. Here you can see your daily and monthly sales.